Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. If you want to fix this problem, click on app list and scroll down and search messages app. Click on messages app, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings and click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.